The little light of the ocean friends. Deep in the blue ocean, surrounded by coral reefs, there was a small underwater village where many sea creatures lived. Among them was Lumi the baby starfish, a quiet and shy little starfish. Lumi often thought her arms were too short and her movements too slow to be of any help to anyone. While her friends explored the ocean, Lumi stayed near the coral reefs, silently watching. "I'm so small and slow I can't help anyone," Lumi sighed to herself. Lumi's closest friends were Leo the octopus and Pino the fish. Leo was clever and quick-witted, always solving problems with ease. Pino was an adventurous fish, darting through the ocean with incredible speed. Lumi admired her friends but felt different and unimportant compared to them. One night, something unusual happened in the ocean. The coral reefs, which usually glowed like stars in the sky, suddenly lost their light. Darkness enveloped the ocean, and the creatures grew anxious. "Why has the coral reef stopped glowing?" Leo wondered aloud. "It's so dark. I can't swim properly, and I might lose my way," Pino said nervously. Amid the rising worry, Lumi spoke up softly. "I'll go and find the light. Maybe I can help." Her friends were surprised. Lumi had always been quiet and unsure of herself. But Lumi took a deep breath and continued. "I may have small arms and move slowly, but I'll do my best." Leo and Pino exchanged looks and quickly decided. "We'll go with you. It's too dangerous to go alone." The three friends ventured into the deep ocean, searching for the lost light. At first, they relied on Leo to guide them through the darkness. With his clever tentacles, Leo moved corals and rocks aside, searching for clues. "This way. I think we should go this way," Leo said confidently. Next, Pino used his speed to swim ahead, clearing obstacles and making sure the path was safe. "I'll scout ahead and let you know if it's safe," Pino called back. As time passed, the journey became more challenging. Lumi, with her small arms, struggled to keep up but refused to give up. Just then, Lumi noticed a small, glowing fragment on the ocean floor. It was a piece of the coral reef's light. "Look, I found something. It's a piece of the coral reef's light," Lumi exclaimed excitedly. Leo examined the fragment closely. "This must be why the coral reef went dark. The pieces of its light have scattered." The three friends worked together to restore the coral reef's light. Lumi carefully picked up the fragments with her small arms. "I'll gather these pieces. My small arms are perfect for handling them," Lumi said determinedly. Leo searched the coral reef for gaps where the fragments could fit. "Here, Lumi. Place this piece here," Leo instructed. Pino swam quickly around, finding more scattered fragments and bringing them back to Lumi. "Here's another one, Lumi. We're almost done," Pino said, his voice full of excitement. The three friends spent the entire night working together. Finally, when the last fragment was placed into the coral reef, it began to glow again. The ocean lit up once more with a warm, beautiful light, and the creatures cheered with joy. That night, the three friends gathered to reflect on what they had achieved. "Lumi," Leo said, "we couldn't have done it without you. Your small arms saved the day." Pino added with a big smile, "That's right, Lumi. You noticed what we didn't, and you made it happen." "Thank you." Lumi blushed, feeling a warmth she hadn't felt before. "I never thought I could be helpful, but now I know I can. Even though I'm small, I can do important things too." From that day on, Lumi no longer doubted her abilities. Leo, Pino, and Lumi learned to appreciate their unique strengths and the power of teamwork. Even as the night grew dark, the coral reef continued to glow, and the ocean friends slept peacefully under its gentle light, dreaming of new adventures.